80% of warm LinkedIn leads never get followed up on. While you're scrambling through all the likes and comments on your lead magnet, they're already lost to your competitors. Here's how I used n8n to capture every like and comment and turn them into a targeted email campaign automatically. Here's a workflow that goes from LinkedIn to email. It works by capturing all the people who liked and comment on your LinkedIn post, saves it into your Airtable, and then import it into your Lemlist email campaign and records it into your CRM. This is done all automatically. Here's how to set this up. So to start, let's rename our workflow to LinkedIn to email. Okay, press enter. Then we're going to import our n8n template. All the resources will be provided in the comments down below. Then our workflow will appear. Now let's configure our Phantom Buster. So head over to phantombuster.com, click on Solutions, LinkedIn, scroll down until you see Extract Leads from LinkedIn Posts. This is the agent we're going to use to scrape the leads from the LinkedIn post. So let's select single LinkedIn post URL. We're just going to scrape one post, which is our own post. So head over to your LinkedIn, pick any post, copy the URL, paste it down below, and save it. Then select our account and save it again. Now we have the option to choose either commenters or likers. I want to get leads from both the comments and likes, so I'll leave that on. Press save. Then in here, let's turn on our agent. Great. Next, we're going to rename our agent. So click this button over here, and then press rename. Rename our Phantom name into LinkedIn to email campaign. Click save. Then we'll need our API key. So click on your username, API keys, then click on add API key. There'll be a new one right here. Copy the key, head back to the workflow, and then click on this node right here, click on the edit button, paste the API key. I already have mine saved. Then we'll select our agent that we created earlier. So select LinkedIn to email campaign, head back and do the same with all the other Phantom Buster nodes. So click on this node. Once you connect, it's already automatically selected. Then we just need to select our agent, do the same to the last LinkedIn node, select our agent, LinkedIn to email campaign. Great. Now let's configure our drop contact. A drop contact will help us enrich our email LinkedIn leads. So clicked on integrations and API, copy, head back to the workflow, click on this node, click on this edit key, and paste your API key right here. I already have mine saved again. Head back. Now we'll configure our Airtable. So head over to airtable.com, click on create. Let's create a new one. And let's rename this to LinkedIn to email campaign. Great. Now, next we need to import our table structure. So browse, select this. Again, our resources will be provided in the comments down below. Create a new table, click on next, import. There you have it. Now we'll rename our table to contacts. Press save, and we're done. Copy the URL of Airtable, then head back to the workflow. Click on the Airtable node, paste it right next to the URL. Do the same to the other nodes. So here and here. Head back. Great. Now we'll configure our Lemlist email campaign. So head over to Lemlist. In here, Click on your username, click on settings, head over to integrations, then generate a new API key. Enter your name, LinkedIn to email campaign. Great. Copy the key, head back over to the workflow, click on the lemless node, click on edit, and then paste your API key here to connect. I already have mine connected, so head back. Lastly, we want to configure our CRM so we can keep track of all the records. So head over to clippycrm.com. In here, click on your username, settings, down to API. Let's generate a new key. Again, let's name this LinkedIn to email campaign. Then click create. Great. Copy that key. Head back over to the workflow. Click on this node right here. Scroll down until you see X Clippy API key. Then paste the value. Do the same to the other nodes. Here, scroll down, paste the API key. Great. Last but not least, we want to filter out our company. So anyone who likes or comment that's from our own company, we don't want to add them into our leads list. So here, I'll type in Clippy. That's done. Press save, activate the workflow, and that's it. If you're interested to learn more GTM automations like this one, subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.